how to turn off notifications on LinkedIn. So if you're getting constant notifications on LinkedIn, obviously this can be quite annoying and you may want to go in and turn this off. Now, to disable notifications, just click on your profile icon in the top left-hand side and then select Settings. Now click on Notifications, and here you'll find all of the notifications that you're currently receiving. So you can click on each of these categories and then go and disable the specific notification you want to turn off. So to go and disable all of these, just switch this to off at the top of the page. You can then come back over to the previous window, and you'll need to do the same for all of these different sections in the LinkedIn application. Now, once you've gone through all of these and turned off the notifications, then that should have solved the notification issue. Now, just to ensure that your notifications are completely turned off, you can open the settings on your phone, scroll down to the bottom and click on Apps, then use the search box and go and search for LinkedIn. Click on the application, select Notifications, and then turn off Allow Notifications. And that's another method you can go and use to disable notifications. Now, if it's email notifications that you keep getting and you want to stop these email notifications, then you can always click on the email like this, and you should see an unsubscribe button at the top of this email. If you go and click on this, you can just press unsubscribe, and that's going to stop any further emails from LinkedIn. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.